Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream. To get started, you'll need just a few simple ingredients to recreate that delicious Starbucks whipped cream at home. First, grab some heavy cream, ideally 1 pint. Next, you'll want a good quality vanilla syrup, about 2 tablespoons. Finally, a whipped cream dispenser is essential for that perfect texture. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled before you begin. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get the dispenser set up. Carefully pour your chilled heavy cream into the metal canister of your whipped cream dispenser. Be sure not to overfill it. Typically, a 1-pint dispenser holds about 2 cups of liquid. Then, add the 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup directly into the cream. Finally, firmly screw on the dispenser head, ensuring it's tightly sealed to prepare for the next step. This is where the magic happens. Take 1N2O charger and place it into the charger holder. Screw the holder onto the dispenser head until you hear the gas hiss, indicating it's released into the cream. Once the gas is in, immediately remove the empty charger holder. Now, give the dispenser a good, vigorous shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps the gas fully incorporate, creating that light and airy texture we all love. Your homemade Starbucks-style whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. Simply invert the dispenser and press the lever to release a beautiful swirl onto your coffee, hot chocolate, or dessert. It's perfect for adding that special touch to any treat. When you're finished, you can store the dispenser with any remaining whipped cream in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 10 days, ready for your next indulgence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.